Welcome to Basic Embedded Systems Training. In this session, we will cover the remaining addressing modes supported by 8051 microcontroller. Last session, we discussed first three addressing modes supported by 8051 microcontroller. And fourth addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. So in this register indirect addressing mode, it uses a register to hold the address of the operand. So that is using a register as a pointer. The only R0 and R1 can be used when data is inside the CPU. The address ranges are from 00H to 7FH, that is called as internal RAM. So to access these address locations, I can use move a comma at the rate of R1. The here R0, R1 and DPTR can be used when addressing external memory location. So that external memory locations can be accessed with the help of instruction move x. Move x, x indicates that external. So move x a comma at the rate of R1, it is valid instruction. Move x a comma at the rate of DPTR, it is also valid instruction. Here R0, R1 and DPTR, only these three registers supported and must put a at the rate sign before the register name. So for example, here example is add a comma at the rate of R0. So this is the example. So for this example, assume that before what is the value available on R0 and what is the value available on accumulator. After execution of this instruction, what is the value available on accumulator. So here the first one add a comma at the rate of R0. It is one instruction program loaded in ROM, also called as a program memory. So assume that it is a program memory. In this program memory, address 200H is loaded with add a comma at the rate of R0. So add a comma at the rate of R0, it is an instruction available on 200H memory location of program memory. And assume that data memory. So in data memory, location 30, 31, 32 is represented here. In 31 location, value is available. 31 memory location, 12 is available. Okay. So before this instruction, assume that accumulator contains 10 or not contains 31. Before this instruction execution, before this instruction called as add a comma at the rate of R0, content of accumulator is 10, the content of R0 register is 31. Then what will happen here? Add a comma at the rate of R0. The add a equal to contents value 10 plus here at the rate of R0 indicates that the content available on memory location pointed by R0. Here R0 contains 31H which act as a pointer. Whatever the value available on this memory location, 31 memory location called as 12, that 12 is added to the accumulator because here at the rate symbol indicates that the content in that particular register is treated as a address. So whatever the contents available on that particular memory location or address is added to the accumulator. So before this instruction accumulator is 10. So here at the rate R0 indicates that R0 contains 31H. This 31H is treated as the address. In that 31H memory location, 12 data is available. That 12 is added to the accumulator. So total it becomes 10 plus 12, 22H is loaded into accumulator. The content of R0 is not changed because R0 is at source. Okay, so this is the content after execution of this instruction. This is example for register indirect addressing mode. And next addressing mode is index addressing mode. In this index addressing mode, So using a base register and an offset to form the effective address for a jump or move instruction. Okay, in this indexed addressing mode, using a base register and an offset to form the effective address of a jump or move instruction. So usually the DPTR or program counter is the base registers and the A accumulator is the offset register. So that is base registers or DPTR or program counter and offset register is accumulator. Okay. So for example, here move C indicates that from code memory, move C A comma at the rate of A plus DPTR. Assume that this instruction move C A comma at the rate of A plus DPTR is available on code memory at 40th location. Okay, sorry, not 40th location. This instruction is available on 2000H memory location. Okay, in that 2000H memory location in program memory, so instruction is move C A comma at the rate of A plus DPTR. Okay, so this is the instruction available. Before execution of this instruction, this accumulator contains value 10. DPTR contains value 31. Okay, so previous case, we are not representing this C. Here we are representing C. If C presented, that indicates that it is a code memory. Okay, so here A plus DPTR. A is 10 plus DPTR. What is the value on DPTR? 31. 10 plus 31, 41. At the rate indicates that 41 is treated as a memory location. Which type of memory location? Previous case it is RAM because there is no C present. Here C is presented. So C presence indicates that code memory. So that value available on 41H code memory location is copied into accumulator. So that is after execution of this instruction, accumulator occupies with 56 value. Okay, that is about index addressing mode. And what are the examples for index addressing mode? Already we completed one example. Move C A comma at the rate of A plus DPTR. And one more example, move C A comma at the rate of A plus PC. So you can use either PC or DPTR as a base register. Offset register is only accumulator. It is the default offset for index addressing mode. So in say, second example, copy the code byte found at a room address formed by adding A and the PC to accumulator. Okay, and third one is nothing but jump at the rate of A plus DPTR. Jump to the address formed by adding A accumulator to the DPTR. This is an unconditional jump and will always be done. Okay, this is about index addressing mode. Next one is relative addressing mode. So in this relative addressing mode, you can use this relative addressing mode can be used in jump instructions. This relative address is an 8-bit value. We know that 8-bit value 248, 256 supported, but here forward and backward both are supported. So that minus 128, 2 plus 122 is 7, total 256 supported. Okay, so you may treat relative address as an offset. Label indicate the jump destinations. Labels indicate the jump destination. The assembler finds out the relative address using these labels. Here, SM2 relative, any label. Decrement jump non-zero, direct, comma, relative supported, relative value, or direct address. Jump, decrement jump non-zero, register, comma, relative. You can use any register values from R0 to R7. Okay, so for example, SM space next, jump to relative address with the label next. This is an unconditional jump and it is always taken. So this next label must be within the range -128 to +127. Okay. And next one is seventh one, absolute addressing mode. Only used with the instructions ACALL and AHM. So this absolute addressing mode only used with the instructions absolute call and absolute jump. Similar to indexed addressing mode, the largest jump that can be made is 2K because the length of absolute addressing is 2 power 11. That indicates that 11-bit address supported. So 2 power 11 is to 2048, that is 2K supporting. And last one is long addressing mode, only used with the instructions lcall and ljump. Similar to index addressing mode, the largest jump that can be made is 64K because we support 16-bit address. So that 2 power 16 is 64K. So that is about 8051 microcontroller